The first thing I do on any service call is test the ohms and the voltage. So I'm going to set my multimeter to the ohms function, and then I'm going to put my black lead on the common outlet and then my red lead on the field wire outlet. I expect to hear a noise which shows we have continuity, and then an ohms reading between 20 and 60. Zone 1 showed an ohms reading of 5, so I know that I have a short in that solenoid. Next thing I do is test the voltage, so I disconnect all the common leads, then I put a 2-minute runtime on every single zone. I run through every zone, then do the same again. Black lead on the common, which is no longer there, but the outlet is still there. My red lead on the field wire, and then I go through each zone. I am expecting to see a voltage around 24 volts. If you don't have a multimeter, that is okay. You can still use the Pro C to test all of your zones to see what works and what doesn't. Reconnect all of your common wires if they're disconnected. Then what you want to do on the faceplate is hold down the plus, the minus, and the right and left arrow together all at the same time. When the screen changes, you then want to hit the plus button. It will now send a voltage through every single zone, and at the end will tell you if any of the zones has an error, i.e. a short. The controller is telling us that zone 1 has an error. It's likely a broken solenoid, so we need to locate and switch it out.